So before I do anything, especially if it's one of my days off, I can easily get sidetracked, so I like to just make a to-do list. So here I'm just making a to-do list, crossing some stuff that I've already gotten done this morning. And then I usually like to go into my planner, make sure like I don't work, and just like try to like keep up with my schedule and figure out like when I have due dates or when bills are due, stuff like that. And then I made a grocery list because I wanted to go to the store to pick up a few things later in the day. I was doing some cleaning, so I cleaned off my couch, I washed all the pillowcases, and put everything back to its normal place. And I feel like this really helps with allergies as well, and just being stuffy in the house. If you guys don't do this, you should really replace your pillowcases or wash them once in a while to get them all nice and clean. And I like to wash the blankets too, because sometimes our dogs will get up on the couch and get dog hair all over them and stuff, and I just can't. Just going to show you my new Gymshark leggings. They are my first pair ever and I am in love with them. They just fit so nicely. They were a size extra large in Gymshark. I think that's like the highest size they go. And I'm just so happy that they fit because I used to wear 2X and the extra large fits, and I'm just really happy and pumped about it. But I'm going to go ahead and go to the gym and go for maybe like an hour, hour and a half, just to get some quick weightlifting in and get it out of the way. Not even gonna lie to you right now, I feel freaking dead. I did full body, so I did a little bit of everything because I felt so guilty about all my Christmas cookies. I didn't want to do one area. I felt like my whole body was just like blech. So I just did a whole body. I did glutes, little arms, back, and a little bit of abs, everything. And let me tell you, I'm so out of shape. Oh man. Alright guys, so I had just got back from Aldi's. I picked up quite a few things, and it was only $100 for all this food. I always forget those have such good deals. You can get so much bang for your buck. So there I picked up a bunch of produce, like fruits and veggies, and I got some canned goods, this thing of turkey breast, orange juice, coffee creamer. I'm not going to go through every little thing because I'm starving and I'm going to make something to eat really quick, but pretty much everything in here is really good for you. And got some spinach. I learned that you could probably freeze this so it doesn't go bad fast and waste your money on it, so I'm gonna try and do that this time. Then you can add it to like smoothies and whatnot, such like that. Then I got stuff for a salad, so I got some salad mix, cucumbers, tomatoes. This I've never had before, but I really wanted to try it. This is a spaghetti squash. I've heard so many good things about it on YouTube. This here is just some Italian meatballs, and I thought that would go well with this. And then I got some sauce to go with it as well. Might try that out for dinner tonight. And then here just some like frozen mango, some shredded cheese. One thing I liked from there was this flatbread. It's only 90 calories, and they're pretty big actually, so those are really good. one thing I wanted to show you guys though is this chocolate that I found. This chocolate here is a dark chocolate with almonds, and the calories and stuff on here are actually not bad at all, and these were only less than $1. They were like $1.79 for these giant bars. This one was 170 calories, 12 grams of carbs, and this is only for 3 blocks, but the blocks in here are pretty decent sized, and I'm just really excited to try those out, and super cheap for those too. And then I found these little beef sticks. I'm gonna try some of these while I... Oh my goodness, Macy! I'm just gonna try a couple of these while I whip up something to eat really quick and see what theirs taste like. But so much good food in here for only like $100, so really happy with that. One last thing I really wanted to mention was this bread that I found. It's from the Fit and Active brand, and it's whole wheat, whole grain bread. But the thing is that there are only 35 calories per slice, which I thought was absolutely amazing. And I think the carbs in here are actually pretty good as well. Yeah, for 2 slices, only 16 grams of carbs, so not bad at all. Some other people have found those zero net carb breads, so they have like no carbs in them. I couldn't find that anywhere, so I thought I'd just try this one for now, but I could not find that one. So here I ended up just making some dinner, and then I prepped out a couple containers for like lunch the next day, and all it was just ground turkey, some rice, tomatoes, and cottage cheese, and I think this is a really quick and easy, really good meal. Alright guys, so that is everything for this little productive day. I really hope you guys enjoy this type of video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!